Okay. All right, this is supposed to be the replacement headlight assembly for the Ford Focus that I ordered. So it's here. Let's see. Open it. What I usually do is I kind of record everything while I'm unboxing, because if there's any damage, then I do have proof. And actually, like I can say, I have dings there. See, that's why I gotta watch out. And there's another ding here somewhere. So now, if you do have proof, then usually you have no problems returning it.
Hopefully it's okay.
With no problem. Okay, here we go. It's pretty much, packaged pretty good, but you never know. So, open it. There it goes. Yeah, it looks like. All right, let me take this out.
So far, it's pretty good.
This is the headlight replacement. Peeps. Take that off. And what you want to do is just kind of like look everywhere. Make sure there's no crack on the glass. And it doesn't seem like there is. So I'm going to take this off. Plastic covering. Okay. This is what we're going to do is we're going to replace the whole headlight assembly. The reason for that is that the water keeps on seeping in. There's some cracks here. I try to tape it up. It's not working. And what happens is, like, every 2 weeks I have to keep on replacing the bulbs. So I don't have time for that. So I just I bought a new one. So I'm going to remove the old one and replace it with a brand new one. So there's 2 screws. There's one right here. One right here. Look. See this?
Yeah.
And one over here. All right. All right. So now I'm going to start by using a flat screwdriver and just unscrewing this. 1 screw. 2 screws hold it in place. So one's off. It's fairly easy. Here we go. And put it over here on the side for now. And where you can find it again. Take the other one off too. Flathead screwdriver will do. Alright. Alright, now I'm going to pull this out slowly. And there's going to be a connector that needs to be removed right there. This connector right here. What you do is just kind of press that out like this and kind of start wiggling it, and it came off. See? So now I'm gonna take this out, put it over here. So now I'm gonna install this same way you removed it. It's just a reversal. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to hook this up first, the connector. Come here. Okay, just kind of like just snap that in there to connect. There. Alright, then now I'm gonna go and just put this over here and line it up where the screws goes. This is like a perfect fit, see? Exact fit.
That's good.
It's brand new.
That's good.
Somewhat. Yeah. Okay. Just right there, and I'll put 1 screw back in, and then the next screw back in, and that's really it. Okay.
It already has a light bulb.
Yeah. So already got a light bulb included.
That's good.
Tighten up, and you just do the same thing over here, and that's it. Right. Now we put the screws in here on the top, pull it down, there, in place, okay, and there you go. That's all there is to it. Talk to you later. Bye-bye. Now I'm going to test it out, okay, make sure it works.
I'll keep recording.
Yeah, there you go.
Okay, go ahead.
You started.
Thank you for watching. Talk to you later.